Okay, this is Esplanade at McKinnon Grove. It's in McKinnon Groves. Turned in, but I think it's still closed off. Or is it closed off? Let's see. No, it's not closed. It's closed off. It's well, I guess you could say there's not too much going on just yet. Looks like they're working on the models. Yeah, they're working on the models still. So probably 4 of them. 5 at some point in the future. And this is from Taylor Morrison. Now over here is going to be a lot of floor plans. There's a whole bunch, and some of the floor plans that we've seen already, but from what I've seen online, it looks like there's going to be a whole bunch of floor plans that are new floor plans for this community. I could be wrong, but it does look like it. And it looked like there was going to be 3 floor plans that were going to be a 2-story plan, and the rest are going to be single stories. Now this is over in Winter Garden, Florida, and this is close to like the Lakeview Preserve, Waterside, and let's see what else is over there on this end. Waterside, and there's the other one across the street from it. I think it has a similar name, but that's overall where this location is. So you're kind of like on the border of Claremont over here. And we can see over there as the entry, and it's gated. Gated community. And the thing with these communities, the Esplanades, is that they always have a lot of amenities. That's what they're known for, amenities. Some of these Esplanades are 55 and over communities, some of them aren't 55 and over. So pretty interesting, you know, that they're doing this over here. Now, of course, the most important part of the process is always construction, okay? If you just leave it to the builder to build you a house, and it almost doesn't matter what builder it is, you're gonna get whatever they slop together. So whatever gets slopped together by the local contractors and their construction manager that probably doesn't care about you, and when I say their construction manager, I'm speaking very generally about, you know, all builders right now, you know, you're gonna get whatever you get. Okay, so for you to have a well-built house, a properly built house, that's what I do for you. I help you do that. I help you manage the process, because if you go alone and then potentially, you know, you just hire your home inspector and your inspector's only good at finding like 50% of the things wrong with the house, and then, you know, you don't know how to carry it out with the construction manager to get these repairs fixed properly, plus a whole ton of other things, manage the inspections, make sure that your inspector is finding everything, all that important stuff. Check out my website, richnotohomes.com or newconstructionrealtor.homes, whatever you want to go to, head over there and you know, get yourself some more information, and of course contact me as well. You can always contact me. You can get me by phone, email, text, okay? Because again, it's all about that strategy. when you have no strategy and you don't understand construction. Yep, Esplanade at McKinnon Groves. So when you don't understand construction, and you don't understand home inspections, and you don't understand the home inspector standards of practice, you don't understand what the inspector should be looking for, should not be looking for, all that stuff, you just get whatever everybody gives you. You don't have anyone helping you. Unfortunately, that's the reality, that's the truth. And you've heard it here, and you're probably not going to hear it from anybody else. Yeah, so again, like I said, this is over by the Waterside and Lakeview Preserve area. I'm going to be heading over to another community now, a Dreamfinders community in Winter Garden. I have a video of it already, but I drove it. I'm going to try to make a video of some of those models. Yep, so here's Waterside. Like I said. Now I do have videos of Waterside from many years ago. Waterside is all resale homes now. So again, if you're looking to get in new and you're looking to, avoid the headaches that come with the resale house, and some people say, oh well, I'll never buy new because new has issues. Well, guess what? Every single resale house has issues because 95% or maybe 99% of the buyers did it wrong. So all those issues have been sitting there. This is it, the Sanctuary at Twin Waters. This is the one I was thinking of. When they did it wrong and their homes have been leaking for years now, those defects don't go away. And a lot of people don't want to fix their homes either after they buy them, so they just let them rot. Sad but true. I know some people like that. Now over here, the nice thing about this area is that it's right in between. Okay, so it's in between two shopping areas. There's the Winter Garden Village, which is a big one, and then there's the Stony Brook West shopping area. All right, and then if you head the other way, the opposite way of where the cars are traveling against me, the opposite way, that goes towards Claremont, so there's a whole ton of shopping over there as well. So that's really the great thing about this location. It's also very nice looking too, very nice looking. One of the nicer looking areas in Claremont. Yep, see, here's more Twin Waters. So just straight ahead is going to be what I was talking about. Stony Brook West. Oh, what's this on the right? Looks like maybe a few small townhomes or something are being dropped over there. Unless it's going to be some kind of business, I don't know.